I'm working on fans at the moment. I've made plenty of these in the past and they're fun to do, not too hard. That's a 9-inch, 8.5 finished, and this one is 7.5, 7-inch finished. They're good because they use up a lot of scraps. This one especially uses a lot of tiny scraps in the blades. And cut them like this, and then we have the end bits and the bottom bit. I do the fan first, like this, and then attach these. It's a nice block. I think it looks great. I've done a lot of them, and you can do all sorts of things with them. These are the pieces. 3 pieces, the blade, the top and the bottom. It's from Fons and Porters, and you can do all sorts of things with them. And it's got good instructions. So I'm going to be making a couple of these for a while, I think, because they're fun to do. These are the ones I've done in the past. I've completed one quilt with these, and I've also turned some into an art thing on the wall, so it's a lot of fun. That's the latest project. Thank you for watching. Bye.